How does a fractional CFO help an e-commerce business go from losing money in 2023 to earning well over $100,000 in net profit in 2024, and go from being in a negative cash position at the end of 2023 to having over $100,000 of cash reserves in the bank and strong working capital? In this video, I'm going to show you how we did that with one of our clients. We implemented a multi-pronged strategy with respect to trying to get this company into a positive position in 2024. We began working with this company early in 2024. And one of the first things we did is restructure the chart of accounts. The bookkeeping from the previous year had been set up so that we weren't able to glean the information that we were hoping for out of the financial statements. So we made some immediate corrections on that front. We also brought in a new bookkeeper, an independent third-party bookkeeper who was able to do the bookkeeping accurately and on time so that we had good insight into what was really going on in the business, which helped us project moving forward. It also made sure that we had timely information as the books were being done on time every month in 2024. We brought in a tax accountant near the end of the year to do some tax planning and to make sure that the corporate income taxes were filed properly and on time for 2024 as well. Once we had the chart of accounts set up the way we wanted it to be, we were able to understand why the business owner had been confused regarding his pricing strategy. There were some challenges with respect to what he was interpreting to be his true gross profit margins. We helped him sort through that, and with those insights, he was able to price more efficiently and effectively for better profits. Next, we created a financial roadmap to success. We helped him understand what the steps were along the path to achieve his vision of success financially. For the year 2024, we had some milestones and targets along the way that we wanted to hit. And we helped him identify what his most important key performance indicators were on the financial side of the business. And we used those to help guide his decisions along the way throughout the year. Early in 2024, this enabled him to begin making better data-driven decisions. Next, we developed budgets and forecasts and plans to help him achieve his targets. We began working with the business owner and some of the other key stakeholders in the business to decide what the best decisions in the business would be based on what impact they would have on the financial statements. This helped the business owner throughout the year ensure that he was on track with respect to getting the kinds of results he was hoping for and ultimately wanting to achieve. Throughout the year, we looked at everything that was going on in the business, not just on the financial side, but we began to understand his operations. We began to understand what he was trying to achieve on the sales side. And we worked as a key component of his team. Importantly, one of the things we were able to do with our key performance indicators, our budgets and our forecasts and our advisory services is make sure that he had protection against possible risks in the business, such as cash flow challenges. Entrepreneurialism isn't easy. I suggest that if you want to get rich quick, you try something other than going into business for yourself. But once you're in business for yourself, you don't have to be the one that crunches your numbers. You don't necessarily have to be the one that fully understands them, but you need somebody who can help you interpret them and use them to make the best decisions possible for your business. If you do that, it is possible to be successful in a relatively short period of time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly, and we can discuss how we may be able to help your business.